Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send a document for signing using DocuSign. Let's get started. First, log in to your DocuSign account and head over to the Templates tab. Click on Create Template to begin setting up your document. Give the template a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. Next, upload the document you want recipients to review and sign. Make sure the document is complete and accurate before moving forward. After that, add recipient roles to define who needs to fill out or sign the document. If you're creating a reusable template, you can leave the names and email addresses blank. Now, customize the email subject line and add a message in the email body to give recipients some context or instructions. Then, open the DocuSign field editor and place all the required fields, such as signature fields, date fields, and any other necessary inputs. Make sure everything is positioned correctly for a smooth signing experience. Once you're done, click Save and Close. To send the document, select the template, enter the recipient details, and click Send. Your document will be sent out for signing. And that's it. That's how you can send a document for signing in DocuSign. Thanks for watching.